E pare ana ngā parirau o te Toroa, e rite ana ki te rere. Ki ngā tōpito o te motu, o ti rā, ki te moana nui a kiwa me te ao.
We're making a game where you can fly as a Toroa and you are making your way across the Pacific Ocean to be reunited with your whānau here in Ōtākau.
Ko Toroa Skycall, te ingoa o te kēmu i waihangahia ai, Lisa Blakie, ki te whakakotahi i tōna Kāi Tahutanga me te whakawhanaungatanga i wainga nui i tōna iwi no Ōtākau me te manu rakatira o te Toroa.
It's very significant, not just within Kāi Tahu, but all other iwi across the motu as well. The main thing I think is the sense of place that they have here in Ōtākau, but also the history that they have with our people as well. They're sort of seen as this symbol of peace, but also strength and kaha as well. They're also, sadly very endangered, and the changes that have happened in their environment, particularly across the moana, is something that we really wanted to highlight and feel is important for kaitiakitanga.
He wahine pukumahi, he kaiako hoki ia ki Ōtākau whakaihu waka. Hei whakaako i ngā āhuatanga o te tuhinga puni.
It kind of goes back to when I was studying as a tauiora and not really knowing that video games or creating them was even a job. I try to underpin whakawhanaungatanga throughout, so that mostly comes out in our workshops and what we do there. So things like creating projects together, but also getting to know each other is a really big part of it, because creative writing is really vulnerable as well, and I feel like it's hard to share things if you don't already have, whakawhanaungatanga with your, other classmates.
Ko te manoko nui o Blakie, ki te whakanui i te ao Māori me ona tikanga ki te ao whānui.
I think a big part of it is having te ao Māori represented in a game, but also from the perspective of not just us like human beings, but also the creatures that we share this earth with, and how we can do better to sort of protect them and appreciate them, but also just having our culture more internationally recognised on less of a stereotypical level as well. So being known, I guess, for more than just haka would be great.
E wai mari ana ahau ki te whai tākoro ki te kēmu nei i mua i te putunga atu hei te mutunga o tēnei tau. Oh, that's so cool. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.